Hello, I am Mausam Bhandare. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll discuss the method of digitizing line, point and polygon using QGIS over Google Satellite Map. For this, all you have to do is one step. You have to install the plugin called Quick Map Services in QGIS. Let's do this.
First, go to Plugins and search Quick Map Services and install it. Close the window. Now go to Web, Quick Map Services and click on Settings. In new window, go on More Services and click on Get Contributed Packs. After a while, download completes and click on Save. Now you may restart QGIS and go to Web, Quick Map Services and Google Hybrid. In this video, I will digitize some feature inside Kathmandu Valley. So we zoom inside Kathmandu Valley. To create a new shapefile, click on this icon on Data Source Manager toolbar. Give name of shapefile. If you want to change the location of shapefile, you can change from here. Now give the type of data you want to digitize. And if you want to add an field in attribute table, you have to give name, type and size of data and click on add to field list and OK. Now select the shapefile in layer panel and click on toggle editing icon on digitizing panel and click on add line feature on same toolbar. Let's start digitizing ring road of Kathmandu. I will start from Sanepa bridge. Do not zoom so high in Google satellite image. You don't get good quality data even if you zoom higher. So click on starting point and click on next vertex. For zoom in and out, you can use scroll button on mouse, and for pan you can press the scroll bar and move the mouse. Keep clicking on the vertices till the end. During digitizing the feature, if you click on wrong position, you can delete the last vertex simply by pressing on delete button on your keyboard. Now click on the last point and right click to stop digitizing that feature. Now we have to give feature ID and field value if you have created extra field. I will give road name. Similarly, let's add Nagdonga Tripureshwar Road and Maitighar Jagati Road in this shapefile. Now click on Save Layer Edits and Toggle Editing. Now I will create another shapefile Bagmati River with geometric type line, but I will not add any additional field in this shapefile. Let's start digitizing from Sundarijal. Keep clicking on the vertex, and at last we'll just right click. I will stop at some distance downstream of Chobar. Let's right click and give ID number. Now click on Save Layer Edits and Toggle Editing. Now let's make a new shapefile with point feature. Select point and give a new field name as place name. Add to field list. OK. Now select the shapefile, toggle editing, add point feature, and click on the point where you want to digitize. Let's click here. OK. Give ID and give place name Balko Bridge. OK. Let's add some more points in this shapefile. Now at last save edit and toggle editing. Now let's make area feature with name area, geometric type polygon, and new field name as name. It is text data with length 80. Add to field. OK. Let's start digitizing Singhadarbar. So click on area, toggle editing, add feature, and start click on the first point. I just click here and keep clicking on all vertex. After clicking on the last vertex, you just have to right click. You can change symbology for your ease. Give feature ID and feature name. Okay. Similarly, I'll digitize 2D Khel and Naraniti. Save edit, toggle editing. Now off the Google satellite map, and you can change the symbology and label style by double clicking on symbols of that shapefile in layer panel to make your map attractive. Okay, keep changing. Now it looks better. After you finish changing symbology and label style, click on new print layout in project toolbar and give name. Okay, and now you can add map, north arrow, scale, legend and title to make your map more beautiful. Now you can export your final map. And the final map looks like this. Okay, this is all about digitizing the feature.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.